In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get more credits in Lovable AI in 2026 with this complete guide. If you use Lovable regularly, credits can disappear pretty quickly, so it helps to know all the legitimate ways to stretch your usage and find extra credits when they're available. Let's walk through the main options clearly and simply. First, go to Lovable AI and log into your account. One of the easiest ways to get more credits is by using the daily free credit system. Lovable gives users 5 free credits per day, and that includes people on the free plan. These credits refresh automatically, so you don't have to manually claim them. Once you're signed in, check your credit balance and keep an eye on when the refresh happens. On the free plan, usage is capped at roughly 30 credits per month, so even though daily credits are helpful, there is still a limit. If you need more consistent access, the next option is upgrading to a paid plan. The Pro plan starts at around $25 per month and includes about 100 monthly credits. It may also include daily bonus credits, and on eligible plans, credit rollover support. If you need higher limits or extra tools for collaboration, the business plan starts at around $50 per month and includes more usage capacity along with additional team features and controls. If you rely on Lovable for regular work, upgrading can be the most reliable solution. Another thing to check is whether Lovable is offering referral bonuses. From time to time, the platform has offered bonus credits through referral programs. The exact terms can change, so open your dashboard and look for something like invite friends or referral program. If that option is available, you can share your referral link and potentially earn bonus credits. You should also check the bonuses section of your dashboard regularly. Lovable has said that extra free credits may sometimes appear through promotions, referral campaigns, special events, or other bonus programs. These offers are not always active, so it's worth checking back often. Along with that, keep an eye out for special events. In the past, Lovable has run promotions that temporarily gave users expanded access or extra credits. These aren't permanent, but they can be a great opportunity when available. If you ever lose credits because of a bug, a failed generation, or another service issue, contact support. If the credit loss was caused by the platform, they may be able to restore those credits, especially if you provide clear project details. Finally, use your credits more efficiently. Break big features into smaller tasks. Use plan mode when possible, since it may use fewer credits. Avoid asking the AI to rebuild the same feature repeatedly, and prepare your prompts carefully before submitting them. If the free try to fix feature is available, use that for debugging instead of spending extra prompts. That's how to get more credits in Lovable AI and make the most of the ones you already have.